AI is changing cybersecurity faster than most organizations can adapt. Attackers are no longer working manually. They're using AI to automate phishing attacks, generate malware, bypass traditional defenses, and even target AI systems themselves. That's why AI security is becoming one of the most in-demand cybersecurity skills in 2026. Inside the AI Security Specialist live workshop, you'll learn how to secure the future of AI-powered environments through real-world practical training. This is not just theory. This is a live instructor-led workshop designed for cybersecurity professionals who want to master AI security from the ground up. You'll learn AI threat landscape and modern AI attack vectors, how attackers exploit AI and machine learning systems, securing AI and machine learning pipelines, adversarial machine learning defense techniques, LLM security and prompt injection prevention, how to secure generative AI applications and AI agents, AI-powered SOC operations and intelligent threat detection, AI red teaming and penetration testing techniques, responsible AI governance and compliance practices, real-world AI security labs with more than 40 practical exercises, preparation for the CASE certification exam. And that's only the beginning. You'll also receive live access to expert instructors, session recordings for lifetime review, hands-on lab environments, complete workshop materials and resources, real-world practical exercises designed for modern AI security operations, a structured roadmap to become an AI security specialist in 2026. This workshop is ideal for SOC analysts, security engineers, penetration testers, blue team professionals, AI enthusiasts, and cybersecurity professionals who want to stay ahead before AI security becomes mandatory in every organization. Because the reality is simple. Organizations are deploying AI faster than they're securing it. The professionals who understand AI security today will become the leaders of cybersecurity tomorrow. And here's the exciting part. There is currently a limited-time promo code available. At checkout, use the promo code FLASHSALE. But don't wait too long. This special discount officially ends on 25/5/2026. After that, the offer will no longer be available.